How do you feel about that cone in your head?
Oh my gosh. Sadie, I told you to wait. I'll make you dinner.
Stevie, what did you do?
Lily, who's your best friend? Who's your best friend? Who's your best friend?
Do you like high fives? Because we do.
You're a cute one. Do you like squeaky toys?
Trooper, if you don't listen to me and go outside, I'm gonna get your leash.
Okay. You are impossible!
Hey, you guys hungry?
Outside. Squirrel. Kitty. Treat.
You're gonna get neutered.
Yeah, boom, 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 yo. I got that hit to beat the block. You can get that bass.
Stick 'em up. Bang!
Ow! Ow! Ow!
I need your love.
So I heard a lot of noise upstairs, and this is what I found.
You've got to be kidding me.
Sometimes I feel like we're just not on the same page. Are you listening to me right now? Who's excited? Who's excited? Who's excited? You're excited, aren't you?
That means it's time to go to the vet.
Look back at it. Glass so big, I told her, look back at it. Look back at it. Look back at it.
What?
Abby wants you to put your tomato.
Rock me, mama, like a wagon on a wheel. Rock me, mama, any way you feel. Run! It's a stampede!